Never update the graphic card from Device Manager, especially when you're trying to get the latest update for NVIDIA graphic in 2021. The reason is you will not have the latest driver especially, and you will not be able to utilize your graphic card when you're playing games like Warcraft or Call of Duty, Free Fire, and if you are a photographer, videographer using Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, you will not be able to get the full performance of these applications and games. And this is why I always recommend to update the drivers from the website, which is here. I will mention this website link in my description as well, and I'll tell you why we should download from here, because you will have the control panel of the latest hardware which you have, the graphic card. Also, the performance of your whole computer with the games and the applications which you have will be always better compared to old drivers. So let's say if I'm using Titan, NVIDIA Titan series, and my product is GeForce GTX Titan X. So what I'll do is, if I'm using 64-bit, I can select any of the Windows operating system, and we just have to click on search. And here, just see 26th of Jan 2021. That's the release, and that's the most latest driver we have. So we just have to click on download, and it will automatically install the driver. And I will mention the link of this website, the NVIDIA website, the genuine website, where you can download any graphic card of NVIDIA. And this is the best way to do it, because you will have the latest control panel to increase the performance of your PC with the games. Alright, so let's get the latest update of NVIDIA. Go ahead and take care. Bye bye.